Here is a Codep Stratosphere IV that I got new in box off of eBay for 90 bucks. I got this, but it had the forward turtle fitter lights on it instead. So I took those off just so I can use it as a switch housing cap. And as you can see, it's got holes for it on all sides. I unscrewed them because they were held on my nuts. So I undid those and put the 5-way on there. Now it's just like my childhood one, except there was a globe right there, but the light bulb blew and I had to use that. It does have cane blades. You can see I kind of flipped them, because that's what it was when I had the fan at the time back in Detroit, when I lived there when I was little. And it was in the dining room. And yeah, we'll go off and start on low. It's been running on low for the past week. Go to medium. This thing's got some torque. Don't really like using medium or high on this, it shakes. I'll go to high. Damn. This thing's got a startup sound to it too when it goes on the high. You can see what I mean by shakes. Airlocking too. Alright, I'm gonna cut it short. So, yeah, until next time.